So guys, I'm gonna be using these. a small amount of Downy. Ooh, just a drop. This already has this one is already scented, so you can use just this by itself on its own. Ah. This one you only need it has instruction on the back. You need just a little bit of it, a cup or two. Guys, you should use a filter. It spills. I'm using bleach because it's the tiles to maintain the tiles original color. Guys, I don't know if someone else, if other people do this, but I also use like bleach on in the toilet because you know, thorough cleaning, just like the toilet, especially, is just okay. So it smells amazing. Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning, guys. House looks. That's the second bedroom. The first bedroom. Let me see. This is the first bedroom. They're just cleaned. Yep. Smells nice. This is the second bedroom. It looks crazy. I need to do the laundry, guys. This is the second bedroom. I know I'm gonna be shaking a lot. I wanna do a lot of laundry and cleaning today. But the laundry is just like cleaning. This is the sitting room. I don't wanna go in there because the baby's outside. That's the bathroom and the toilet, and this is the kitchen. I cleaned the kitchen, but I'm not completely done. I don't think I'll be able to record this mess because I need to clean this mess and just finish the last mop. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me if you want me to talk during the video or not, because sometimes I feel weird talking in the house by myself, or when my babies are in the bedroom or playing and I'm just like talking. But you know, I'll get used to it. Kind of weird. So tell me guys if you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do the kitchen later. I need to take a shower. I'm gonna record the self-care routine for you guys so that it's two in one video, like self-care and cleaning. And then I'm tired guys. I've been going to the gym. I'll put a clip. This is going to be my 4th day. My whole body aches completely and I can't stop. That's what my trainer says. He says I can't stop. I can't go on a break, not even a day. So yeah, sometimes I walk weird. I walk like this. No, I'm kidding. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment, leave a comment, tell me what you want me to record for you guys. Any video ideas that you guys have will be awesome to let me know. I'm tired guys, I don't even know what to say. I'm now gonna take a shower and record my self-care routine, and then I'll be done. Subscribe.